actually filming this on Thursday because I am going on another little yarn trip. So I'm going to go to a shop called Alterknit Universe, which is in Cleeve. That is a baby smacking on my door. Sapphire Rose! Oh, I'm going to have to come and get her, hang on. Sorry everybody, so I'm babysitting today. This is Sapphire. Gonna say hello? Say hi. So, I am at a shop in Cleeve called Alterknit Universe. Sapphire Rose didn't even attempt it. And I've never been there before, so I'm going to vlog it so you can all come with me. Hopefully it'll be a good trip. And I know they do lots of kind of like independent yarn brands and kind of indie yarn brands, so like self-dyed and stuff. So we shall see, won't we, Sapphire? Gonna say hello, say hi mum. So yeah, I thought I would take you along with me. It is a red lipstick kind of day again today. So. Yes, it is. All right, you're tired and grumpy. Right, I will speak to you all soon. Bye, see you in the shop. So I have just deposited my little sister back home. She's 10. And Sapphire's, my stepmom's got Sapphire, so it's kind of like subletting the babysitting, but she's fine. That is a parcel shelf, sorry, in my back because the buggy won't fit my boot. So now I'm going to drive off to Cleeve. It should take about 20 minutes. 20 minutes, yeah, and I'll see you all soon. Bye. So I'm having a quick, oh, I'm a bit blurry. A quick pit stop because I'm picking Kay up because she's now coming. So I've just driven to Kay's. The more the merrier on a yarn trip, I think. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and get her. See you in a... So me and Kay are now in the most amazing shop ever. I mean, ever. As everyone knows, I love vintage, and this shop is just beautiful, and I have no words. And it's a good job, look, I got my vintage tea, well, not vintage, but my Cuff Kids and tea dress on, so I fit in quite well. Something you should do. Make the letters bright and luminous and blue, and get me waking up, shake it up, tangled up. You could be quaking up, make it up, tangled up. You can't be faking it, making it for my love. Before it's tragedy, don't get me tangled up. I can't separate your sins. To me, you're acting like you're twins. This is a mess. Is this a test? How many guesses do I get till only one of you is left? You're quite the same. If love's the game, I want to see emotions color in the sky to the point it will make me wanna cry and get me waking up, shake it up, tangled up. You could be waking up, make it up, tangled up. You can't be faking it, making it for my love. Before it's tragedy, don't get me tangled up. And get me waking up, shake it up, tangled up. You could be waking up, make it up, tangled up. You can't be faking it, making it for my love.
interviewing.
He's got his little hat on. It's like the first sunny day and he's got his little hat on.
It's alright, it's fine. So this is the lovely Kim whose shop
Hello.
it is. So Kim, tell us about your adventure and how you came to have this shop.
Okay, well, I was doing an illustration degree in London and I have chronic fatigue, so I was finding it super difficult. I would go out on these drawing trips, I'd get back in, I'd only be able to do like a little bit, I'd have all these drawings that I wanted to do something with while everyone else was doing exciting things, going to lectures, so I'd sit in bed and translate them into knitting, and I got really into thinking about where the wool comes from and the impact on our environment, and I really just wanted to create a community where people felt safe and comfortable to come and hang out and provide alternatives, hence the name Alterknit Universe, to the big shop stuff. So
And it's quite vintagey. Do you love vintage? Please say yes.
Absolutely.
Good.
Absolutely.
Vintage is the best.
Very inspired by past eras, particularly like medieval eras and Victorian, that kind of stuff.
Beautiful. Everyone needs to come here, honestly. You will like die. About your recycled yarn, how does that work? What, if you don't mind saying?
No, of course, yeah. Well, it's totally unique to us. I haven't seen anyone else do something like this. It's something we want to bring to shows and stuff next year. But what we do is we get machine knitting cones that people have had like wasting away in their attics or feeling, you know, unloved in the spare rooms, wherever. We adopt them and we make sure that they're all like clean and moth free, and we freeze them and everything like that and check them. And then so there's a little bit of a selection there that you can see. Those are all sort of the ends that we're not working on. And then what I do is I go through and, like, with color theory and stuff, I take different strands and then we wind them together into cakes. So I don't think I have one here, but you can, I don't know if you can see, but they are multiple strands. Some of them are 2 strands, some of them are 10 strands. We even do 100 ply, which is like crazy thing. And you just knit all the strands as if they were one. Some people find it a little bit tricky to begin with, but honestly, once you get going, it's no different than any other yarn where you could potentially split.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's really fun and it's super cheap
amazing.
as well. It's like £3 for 100.
Have you got that on your? Is that on your website as well?
Not at the moment, but we're working on getting it there because they're all so individual and like limited edition. We find it difficult to keep up, but the plan is to do like separate ones, especially for the website.
But if people wanted some, could they like email you and contact you and you could tell them what you've got? And yeah.
Or if they want a specific color, we can make up special colors for them and stuff too. Yeah, it's really fun.
This shop is just honestly amazing. So tell us about Tour de Fleece.
Tour de Fleece. So it's like a big thing on the internet. Everyone around the world that wants to participate spin every day that the cyclists are cycling in Tour de France. So you've got spinners everywhere, and we do big stuff in the shop for that. We have special spinning days, we do a grand party, and like an award ceremony, and we get people to like post in the hashtag, and the whole thing is to encourage people to learn spinning and do spinning and try new things. So we have sort of rewards for people who have tried the most new techniques, or beginner spinners who have just gotten the hang of it, stuff like that. So, and then there's also like the most yardage or meterage or kilometers spun.
That is so much fun. Really that sounds amazing. I'm gonna have to come. When is it? Is it in the summer?
It's during Tour de France, so it tends to be around July. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so coming to that. Vegan. Oh my god, that rose one. I've never felt anything as soft. That's like baby skin.
Try the soybean as well.
The soybean? That is amazing. Who would have thought a plant could make that? Even the flax is quite, that's like blonde hair. And nettle.
Got recycled bottles.
Yeah. Doesn't feel like I thought it was going to feel. I thought it'd be quite harsh, but it's not. It's really soft. I need to move here. I need to move in here. It is just like heaven. Everybody needs to come to this shop. Not all at the same time though, because poor Kim will be overrun with people, but can you imagine like 90,000 people? It's just beautiful. It is just, I'm like that. This is like church.
The Church of Craft.
The Church of Craft is here in Cleeve. How did I not know this shop was like here? It's like amazing. And I said to Kim it's better than Disney, and I love Disney like big time, but this is better. 2 weeks in Disney or 2 weeks here. I take 2 weeks here any day. Everything is just so beautiful. My mum's got one of these darning mushrooms. It just like, you know when like little things bring back memories of like what's in your mum's sewing box. I mean, she's not dead or anything, but it's just like...
That's when we have the pick and mix buttons as well. So it just reminds you of like your grandma's box.
your grand's button box. Oh my word, this is like heaven. Beautiful. Done.
Couldn't take no more, just have to try. I moved to the floor, so you danced away. Sweet like magic, then you looked my way. And in one swoop, you had me by your side. I knew I was in for a ride as we swayed to that sound. Our feet tap tapping and our heartbeats beating with it spin round and round. We were lost in the rhythm, the lights in the crowd. That look in his eyes made me sure we'd be dancing till the dawn.
Hi everybody, so I am now back from my K's. Got Kay came, don't know how, she was sat in the passenger seat. Trip to Alterknit Universe. Oh my word, you have to go if you are anywhere near Bristol, Weston, Clevedon. Please visit this shop because it is absolutely beautiful. And Kim's like the loveliest person. She's so sweet and her shop is just brilliant, and her ethos and her whole aura just oozes kindness and loveliness, and her shop is beautiful. So I bought myself some of the Raspberry Ripple Art Equals Happy 100% recycled wool. It is beautiful. So she puts all these colours together. So she kind of like reweaves it, respins it even. She is doing a lot of things for, is it Yarn Shop Day? I can't remember what it's called. It's on May the 12th, I think. I will put all the information. I'll leave a link to her website. If you're not in Bristol or near Cleeve, or and you still want, you can have a look at her website. It's beautiful. And this, she will, she hasn't got this on her website, but she will order you or make you some, because she does it to especially to make, she does made to order is what I'm trying to say as well of this. So if you want any of this, you can just contact her. She's got vegan yarn. I've never ever thought that vegan yarn would be like so soft. Oh my word. And the amount of things that they can actually get fibre from to make yarn, it was just like a massive education for me. It was just lovely. and her mum and dad are lovely. They help her with their shop, and oh, it's just really, really nice. And she does do a Cleeve knitting nights, I think it's called, but you're more than welcome to go and crochet on a Sunday. I don't know what's going on. This G keeps like flying off. It's really weird. I think it's trying to tell me something. Anyway, so thank you for such a lovely hour in your shop. It was just beautiful, and I will definitely be back, and I'm sure lots of people will now be checking your shop out. It is beautiful, so thank you. And I'm going to make something delicious with this, but I don't want to use it up. I might just keep it like this because it's so beautiful. What do you reckon, people? So that is my Film It Friday. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget you can also find me on my blog at lexilovestitching.wordpress.com. You can also find me on Instagram, and if you're watching this on directly on the group, you can also find me on YouTube. I will post all the links. I will post the link to Kim's shop in the description box below to her website, and thank you again. It was lovely. It's absolutely beautiful, and had a lovely day. So see you all soon. I will do a live on Tuesday. Take care and happy crocheting.